A narrow strip of land joining two landmarks is known as a isthmus. Which of the following continent is the smallest in size? Australia. At the, at the primary stage, social science comprises of history, geography, political science, and economics. Inductive learning is a contradiction to which of the following approach mastery learning. Now, read the given sentence A and B. Select the correct answer. Critical thinking promote building of concept, applications, and explanations of idea. True, it does not help to understand the evaluation argument and belief of the false. So A is true, B is false. What is an empirical evidence? The data using reliable method of data collection. 37. The model replica of physical feature are most suitable for the teaching geography, which the collection of weather information from the local newspaper is an example of which type of source. Secondary. Here, in which type of classroom the student are with a learning disability learn along with the other student inclusive. Now, here the earlier manuscript written on plum paper. Which one of the following period is the longest in human history? Paleolithic age. Read the given sentence A and B. Select the correct answer. Mehergarh is located in the fertile plain near the Bolan Pass of Pakistan. True. Evidence of the following herding and are found here. True. Both A and B are true. In which of the following state India the largest number of Harappa sites have found? Gujarat. Rig Veda was originally composed in which of the following language? Sanskrit. Now, here, how many parliamentary constitution reserved for the scheduled class? 84. Which one of the following fundamental right is violated due to practice of untouchability in India? A right to freedom. As per the Constitution of India, which one of the following is not a fundamental right? Right to property. Untouchability referred to the discrimination on the basis of caste. Who appointed the chief minister? The governor. Alright, now we'll move ahead. Who appointed the governor? So राज्यपाल को कौन नियुक्त करता है? The president. Who elected the prime minister? MPs. Who among the following call the first citizen of India? First citizen of India कौन है? तो ये president है. Who among the following call the first citizen of the state? State आएगा तो governor. Okay. The current Lok Sabha from 24 onward is 60th. Who is the current President of India? Ram Nath Kovind. Which one of the following is not mentioned in the Constitution of India? The name of political party. Who nominated member of Rajya Sabha? The President. Who among the following was a President of Constitution Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who among the following was the only Indian Governor General of India? C. Raja Gopalachari. which was the constitution of India adopted November 26, 1949, 26 नवंबर 1949. Who among the following play a decisive role in interacting the princely state of India? So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which of the following deal with the matter the concurrent list of Constitution of India, Union government and state government, केंद्र सरकार और राज्य सरकार. Who among the following was the chairman of drafting committee in the Constitutional Assembly of India? Drafting committee B.R. Dr. Saheb Ambedkar. Okay. Here, in the 18th century, under whom did the Bengal gradually break away from the Mughal control? Murshid Uli Khan. Who among the following government journal decided that Bahadur Shah Jafar would be the last Mughal emperor, and after his death none of the discretion would be recognized as a ruler? Lord Canning. ऐसा किसने बोला था कि अकबर जो है बहादुर शाह जफ़र के बाद अब कोई भी मुग़ल साम्राज्य नहीं होगा, ऐसा लॉर्ड कैनिंग ने बोला था. विच गवर्नर्स जनरल डिक्लेयर दैट अवध वॉज रूलिंग मिसगवर्न एंड ब्रिटिश रूल वॉज नीडेड टू इंश्योर प्रॉपर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन? सो हियर लॉर्ड डलहौजी ने बोला था कि किस गवर्नर जनरल ने घोषित किया था कि अवध पर गलत तरीके से शासन किया जा रहा है और उचित प्रशासन सुनिश्चित करने के लिए ब्रिटिश शासन की आवश्यकता है. तो लॉर्ड डलहौजी. विच रूलर इज ऑफ कानपुर कॉल हिमसेल्फ अ पेशवा? नाना साहेब. यह the best methodology to teach the factory would be to organize a visit to an industry plant. हमें विजिट के लिए बच्चों को लेके जाना. Which is a UDISAT a man-made Indian satellite. The version of idea of which one of the following personality have been preserved in पंचवनी and बीजक. पंचवनी और बीजक यह कबीर ने लिखा है. The mural painting on Ellora cave which shows the Vishnu and Narasimha, the man lion, and the work on which period? तो यह राष्ट्रकूट काल में हुआ था, राष्ट्रकूट पीरियड में हुआ था. Here the wind vane is used for wind direction, to measuring a wind direction. Which one of the following layer of the atmosphere help to transition of radio wave? रेडियो वेव हमेशा थर्मोस्फेयर में होता है, जिसको बाह्य वायुमंडल बोलते हैं हिंदी में. यहाँ पे देखो मैंने पेन से इंडिकेट किया है. पहले इनर कोड, फिर आउटर कोड, मेटल, फिर क्रस्ट सबसे बाद में रहेगा. आंतरिक कोड, बाहरी कोड, मेटल, परपटी. ठीक है, परपटी एकदम लास्ट में रहेगा. यह सन अर्थ मून ऐसा कभी भी ये हुए तो ये नीप टाइट है, लघु ज्वार भाटा. ठीक है. व्हेन द रिवर एंटर द प्लेन इट बेंड फ्लो फार्मिंग लार्ज बेंड नॉन एज अ मेंडर. जब ऐसे मुड़ते हैं ना नदी के मोड़ को मेंडर बोलते हैं. अगर नदी अलग हो जाती है दैट बी कॉल्ड चाप झील. ओके. Then here, which one of the transport is extremely used to most inaccessible area and in time of calamity for rescue the people and distribute the food, water, clothes and medicine? कौन सा नेचुरल कैलामिटी होती है तो कौन सा ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़फुल है, तो एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट। कभी भी देखो फ्लड आता है, दैट टाइम हमें एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट का यूज़ करना पड़ता है। नाउ फाइनल here, which one of the following is non conventional source of energy? नॉन कन्वेंशनल मतलब जो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होती है। सोलर एनर्जी कभी भी ख़त्म नहीं हो सकती है, बाकी सब एक सर्टेन पीरियड के बाद ख़त्म हो सकती है, जैसे नेचुरल गैस, कोल, फायरवुड। बट ये सोलर एनर्जी जो होती है नॉन कन्वेंशनल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी है। उसके बाद विच the breeding of fish in specially construction tank pond is known as pisciculture. So I hope you all understand. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel and like and share as much as you can.